Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the network settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and you can do it by tapping this icon right here. Once in settings, let's tap on more right here, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Now we can tap on reset settings at the bottom, and tap OK to confirm. As you can see, it says network settings have been reset, and that's how you reset the network settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.